the 2014 Ford Mustang. This two-door, four-passenger coupe is ready to drive off the showroom floor. Ford made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Under the hood, you'll find an 8-cylinder engine with more than 400 horsepower, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. Well-tuned suspension and stability control deliver a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Comfort and convenience were prioritized within, evidenced by amenities such as one-touch window functionality, variably intermittent wipers, an outside temperature display, and power windows. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 4 well-positioned speakers. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.